Have you ever discovered a YouTube channel with just a handful of videos, yet one of them has hundreds of thousands of views? It seems impossible, right? Well, check out this channel. They only uploaded 4 videos, but their first one already has an impressive 370,000 views, and these 4 videos collectively helped them gain a whopping 80,000 subscribers. And guess what? This isn't the only case. There are many channels experiencing similar view surges with their very first videos. So what's the secret behind their success? The answer lies in a recent change to YouTube's algorithm, one that's opening doors for smaller creators like you and me. In this video, I'll unlock the secrets to taking advantage of this opportunity and help you explode your channel's growth. So why the sudden shift towards smaller creators? Well, think about it. YouTube wants to keep people glued to their platform, right? And they've realized that showing the same few channels over and over gets boring for viewers. That's where TikTok's success comes in. TikTok skyrocketed in popularity because they give everyone a chance to go viral, no matter how many followers they have. They realized it's exciting to discover new personalities and fresh content. Now, YouTube's taking a page from TikTok's playbook. They want that same energy and excitement on their platform. So if you're ready to create something awesome, now's your chance to get noticed, and I mean really noticed. Remember how YouTube used to favor channels that constantly uploaded videos, even if they weren't the best? Well, those days are changing. Now they're focusing on quality over quantity. This means they want videos that grab viewers' attention and keep them watching until the very end. So how can you take advantage of this shift? Here are the 2 key elements YouTube considers. First, keeping people engaged. This means aiming for a high average view duration. Think of it like telling a story at a party. The more captivating your story, the longer people stay interested, right? The same goes for your videos. Second, creating a strong first impression. This is where your title and thumbnail come in. Imagine them as your video's advertisement. You want them to be so interesting and eye-catching that people can't resist clicking to see what's inside, just like a captivating headline in a newspaper. These might seem like small details, but they can actually make a big difference in how well your video performs. But don't worry, we'll dive deeper into these secret ingredients later in the video. For now, just remember high-quality content is the key to unlocking massive growth on the new YouTube stage. Okay, we've talked about how YouTube wants high-quality content, but what does that actually look like? Here's the inside scoop. First, choose a topic that you find exciting. Think about it, your passion for the subject will shine through and make the video naturally more engaging. Next, a simple script and voiceover can go a long way. This adds structure and ensures your video is clear and easy to follow. Now for the real key to keeping viewers hooked: editing. Focus on creating a polished final video that flows well and keeps your audience interested. And of course, the title and thumbnail are like the gift wrapping for your video. They need to be eye-catching and give a hint of the awesome content inside. Now is the absolute best time to start or grow your YouTube channel. The algorithm is designed to give smaller creators like you a real shot at success. All you need to do is focus on creating high-quality videos that people love to watch. Think about all those channels that blew up overnight. That could be you. So don't waste this opportunity. Start experimenting, learn as you go, and create content you are genuinely proud of. Remember, if you don't jump on this now, you never know what you might miss.